What's up guys, I just picked up my Secure Hitch Mount and I'm going to mount my receiver in my motorhome bin. That way when I'm towing, my hitch is not just sitting in my receiver as a target for people to steal it. So let's go ahead and mount it. It's 4 easy tech screws. Alright, so the first step is to find the mounting location, and to do that we're going to insert it into our hitch just like this, and we're going to see where it's going to line up right there. We'll mark our position with a marker and then drill our holes. Okay, so now that we got our mounting location, we're going to use our tech screws, and these are a 1/4 inch socket. I've got them on my impact driver right here. All right, and now that that's mounted in there nice and securely, we can put our trailer hitch right in there, just like that. And there's also a spot on the back side to slide in the pin. And then we can slide our pin in to secure our hitch. If you're looking to get a secure hitch mount for your hitch, you can find it on securehitchmount.com. We've got a universal model, and we've also got a BoxLink model for the F-150.